Hello everyone, in this video I will be explaining how to locate irrational numbers on the number line. This is the number line I have drawn. Here I have taken 2 centimeters as 1 unit for clarity purpose. At 1 I have again drawn a perpendicular of unit length, that is again 2 centimeter long. That will be my 1 unit. I will mark this point as A and this point we will mark as B. So O B is 1 unit, B to A is also 1 unit. Okay, we will join O to A. Join O to A. Now see here, this is 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. What will be the length of this hypotenuse? We know that this is a perpendicular, so this is 90 degree. Using Pythagoras theorem in the triangle OBA, what do we get? H square is equal to P square plus B square. So what is the value of P? P is 1 unit and B is also 1 unit. So we will get 1 plus 1, that is 2. So H square is equal to 2, or H will be equal to square root of 2. That means the value of the hypotenuse is square root of 2. Now how to locate this on the number line? We will open a compass with radius OA, that is root 2. Okay, and we have opened our compass with radius OA and cut an arc on the number line. Wherever it cuts the number line, that will be your root 2. That means we will mark this point as C. So O to C is the value of root 2. O to C. This is the value of root 2. This is how you represent root 2 on the number line. Now proceeding further, we will locate root 3 on the number line. How to locate root 3 on the number line? See, we have already obtained root 2. O to A is root 2. Now what we will do is, at A we will draw a perpendicular again of unit length. A पर हम एक perpendicular draw करेंगे unit length का, that is again 2 centimeter. ओके क्योंकि हमने हमारा एक यूनिट कितना लिया है 2 सेंटीमीटर, तो हम ए पॉइंट पर एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं ऑफ अगेन 2 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, लेट दिस बी पॉइंट डी. वी विल जॉइन O to D. नाउ सी, OA is root 2, AD is 1 unit. What will be the length of OD? Again it is a right angle triangle, so using the Pythagoras theorem we will find out what is the length of OD. So we will keep the values in Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to P square plus B square. That will be, what is P? P is 1 and the value of the base is root 2. So we will keep the value. So what will we get? 1 plus square root of 2 into square root of 2. You will get 2. So H square is equal to 3. So H will be equal to square root of 3. That means OD is giving you the value root 3. Now we will open a compass with radius OD. Open a compass with radius OD and cut an arc on the number line, just as we have done in the previous case. So wherever it cuts the number line, that will be the value of root 3. Okay, that will be root 3. O2, let this point be E. O to E is root 3. This is how you represent root 3 on the number line. In this way you will proceed further. Again you will draw a perpendicular of 1 unit length here. That in that case root 3 will be the base. Then you will find that the hypotenuse will be root 4, that is 2. In this way we locate irrational numbers on the number line. This is known as the spiral method.